So student, now we will discuss various example of substitution reaction that is given by alkyl halide. First, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Okay, hydrolysis of alkyl halide or preparation of alcohol by using alkyl halide. In this reaction, this alkyl halide molecule get convert into alcohol. Means we have to replace halogen atom by OH group. Okay, so there is replacement of halogen atom by OH group. Now to carry out this reaction, what we have to do? This alkyl halide molecule is boiled with KOH or NOH, aqueous solution of KOH, potassium hydroxide, or even sodium hydroxide. Then you will get ROH plus KX. See, in this reaction what happened? This in KOH, K is positive, OH is negative, R is positive, X is negative. This OH replacing halogen atom from alkyl halide, giving alcohol, ROH, alcohol. So alkyl halide molecule when boiled with aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide or NaOH give corresponding alcohol for corresponding alcohol. In this reaction, OH minus ion, hydroxide ion, which is given by KOH. If we add a KOH in water, then it will undergo ionization and produce K plus and OH minus ion, and that OH minus ion, which is nucleophile, will going to replacing halogen atom from alkyl halide. Okay, so it is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction or SN reaction. See, I will write some steps how reaction take place. KOH plus water, dissolve this KOH in water, then you will get K plus and OH minus ion. Then this OH minus ion will going to replace halogen atom, replacing this halogen atom, giving ROH plus X minus, and then K plus and X minus combine to give salt, KX. Okay, so this is the simple reaction. In this reaction will give product. Okay, so some example. This is called hydrolysis of alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Okay, example, take any example. Take ethyl bromide plus aqueous solution of KOH, boil it, then it will give, just we have to replace Br by OH. This is one of the method for the preparation of alcohol by using alkyl halide, KBr. Okay, simple. The carbon to which bromine attached, to that carbon we have to attach OH group. Okay, alcohol. Isopropyl chloride plus KOH, aqueous solution, boil it, you will get CH3CH3 CHOH plus KCl, isopropyl alcohol. So this is one of the method for the preparation of alcohol, or it is a chemical reaction of chemical properties of alkyl halide. Alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide gives alcohol. Okay, very simple. Now, second reaction. Again, instead of this alkali, we can use moist Ag2O, moist silver oxide. Okay, instead of alkaline KOH, we can use moist Ag2O. Actually, moist Ag2O means water, react with water and form twice AgOH, and then this AgOH react with alkyl halide. This AgOH react with alkyl halide. Here OH is negative, Ag is positive. Giving, just boil it, heat it, then you will get same product, alcohol plus AgX. This is one of the method for the preparation of alcohol by using moist Ag2O. Same reaction, if you, whenever we want to replace halogen atom by OH group, so these are the two procedure, either by alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide by KOH, or alkyl halide is treated with moist Ag2O, means AgOH, giving same product alcohol. Okay, so take example CH3 methyl iodide plus AgOH, and that AgOH is obtained from moist Ag2O. Just heat it, you will get CH3OH plus AgI, silver iodide is a salt. Okay, and it is very simple to isolate this AgI. Okay, very easy, we can isolate or separate from alcohol. So these are the two example, two reaction by which we can prepare alcohol by using alkyl halide. Third reaction, formation of alkyl cyanide. Cyanide and alkyl cyanide. Okay. So what we have to do in this reaction, this alkyl halide is treated with potassium cyanide, alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide, and heat. Cl, alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide, and heat, you will get RCN plus KX. Here alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide and alkyl halide heat together, you will get alkyl cyanide. This is alkyl cyanide product. It is also SN reaction, because see this KCN, in KCN K is positive and Cn is negative, then that Cn, cyanide ion, will attack on alkyl halide, positive, negative, Cn minus, that Cn minus is nucleophile, will going to replace halogen atom, giving RCN plus K plus, X minus, and then X minus and K plus combine to give Kx. Okay, so Cn minus is a nucleophile, and that nucleophile replacing another nucleophile from alkyl halide, X minus. Therefore, it is SN reaction. So, by using this reaction, we can easily prepare alkyl cyanide molecule or alkyl nitrile molecule. Okay. Example. CH3CH2I plus KCN, alcoholic solution of, and heat, you will get CH3CH2, this is negative, this is positive, negative, positive. Okay, so this will going to replacing Cn plus Ki, that is ethyl cyanide. Okay, very simple. Next reaction, alkyl isocyanide. Isocyanide means RNC. Alkyl cyanide means RCN. Okay. Now, very simple. Take alkyl halide. That alkyl halide react with silver cyanide. Alcoholic solution of silver cyanide, I think. Silver cyanide, not alcoholic solution, simple solution silver cyanide, just heat it, you will get RNC, not Cn, NC plus AgX. Okay, that is alkyl isocyanide molecule. Right? Again, it is nucleophilic substitution reaction, very simple method. Then, next, third, fourth, fifth reaction. I think fifth reaction is formation of ether. that is called Williamson's synthesis of ether. Okay, Williamson's synthesis of ether. Now, before studying this reaction, I want to explain some reaction of alcohol. See, alcohol we know ROH. O is negative, H is positive. Okay, this alcohol when react with sodium metal, any sodium metal, any active metal like sodium, magnesium, aluminium, then what happen? You will get sodium alkoxide as a product, and there is liberation of hydrogen gas. 2. This is actually acid base reaction. This reaction showing alcohol is slightly acidic in nature. Okay, so this product is sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Okay, alcohol react with sodium metal, give sodium alkoxide molecule with liberation of hydrogen gas. Now for example, methyl alcohol plus sodium, then what? Same reaction, CH3O minus Na plus salt. So name of the compound is sodium methoxide. Okay, if we take ethanol plus sodium, then CH3 CH2O negative Na positive plus hydrogen gas. It is called sodium ethoxide. Okay, so these are the reaction. Take any alcohol. If we take N-propyl alcohol, then you will get N-propoxide. Isopropyl alcohol, you will get isopropoxide, tertiary butoxide, like this. Okay, so this compound we want alkoxide, sodium alkoxide, that we want to use. We have to use in Williamson synthesis. Now, in this reaction, formation of ether, Williamson synthesis, this alcohol is heated with sodium alkoxide. Negative, positive. Just hit alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide. This is alkoxide, alkyl halide, and sodium alkoxide. Then what happens? Then this O minus, this bond will break, O minus replacing X minus, O R plus NaX. This is nothing but ether. So in this reaction, X minus get replaced by alkoxide ion. This is alkoxide group, alkoxy group. This X minus get replaced by alkoxy group. Alkoxy group is also negative, therefore it is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, or we can write like this, Rx plus, write Na plus, Na first, OR, negative, positive, negative, positive. Just hit it, just remove NaX and join them. Join remaining part, R, O, R. These two are may be same or may not be same. NaX, that is ether. Very simple. In this way we can write the reaction for the preparation of ether. Okay, very simple. Take example. Take ethyl bromide plus ethyl sodium ethoxide. CH3 CH2O Na, negative, positive, and heat them. Or simply we can write like this: NaO CH2 CH3. It is very simple now. Just eliminate, remove NaBr and join them. So CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 plus NaBr, that is diethyl ether. We can prepare any simple ether as well as mixed ether by this reaction, Williamson synthesis. Okay. If we want mixed ether, mixed means two alkyl group are different, then that is called mixed ether. How? Take one molecule of alkyl halide, any alkyl halide, for example ethyl iodide, plus react with alkoxide having different alkyl group than this, sodium ethoxide. Take any different alkyl group. Suppose sodium N propoxide, N propyl alcohol, and heat it. Remove this NaI, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH2 CH3, that is ethyl N propyl ether. Its name is ethyl N propyl ether. Okay, very simple. So by using this method we can prepare simple ether as well as mixed ether. So dear student, go through this reaction, also use textbook for more example, and again in next class we will discuss next chemical reaction of alkyl halide. Thank you very much.